welcome to Beads Jar. I'm Natalia and I'd like to share another product review with you today where I'm showing you our fantastic range of faux pearls. These range in sizes from 8mm, 10mm, 12mm and 14mm. So as you can see, we've got some beautiful shades and tones in this range and you're going to find the perfect pearl for every project. Let's begin with the 8mm size pearls. These come in a pack of 100, so you're going to have plenty of these to make lots of jewellery with. The 10mm pearls, these come in a pack size of 50. Then we have our 12mm pearls, and these ones come in a pack of 30. So you can see these lovely green ones. And finally, our largest size are the 14mm, and they have 20 pearls in each pack. So why would you choose an acrylic pearl over the real versions? Well, for a start, they're perfectly round and they're the perfect colour. So if you want your jewellery project to look very regular and symmetrical, if you're looking for a particular colour, then this is the perfect choice for you. They're also very lightweight. So if you can imagine, if you're making a project where you're using a lot of pearls, or you want the jewellery to be very comfortable, especially if you're making earrings and necklaces, then it's going to be very lightweight. These are also a very cost-effective way of adding style and class to your jewellery projects without breaking the bank. So the possibilities are endless with these pearls. You can turn them into earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and even use them to embellish craft projects or as decorations. So I hope you've enjoyed our acrylic pearl review today. Click on the links in the show more section to go to our website, find out about these and a wide range of jewellery making components. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future product reviews and jewellery making tutorials. Thanks for watching and bye for now.